Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to our 5 and 15 webinar series. This webinar will cover 5 reasons you would like to choose a CRM to help improve your underwhelming customer experience. My name is Stephen Lavoie, and I'm I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at MasterSolve, and I'm going to be your moderator for this webinar. So before we get started, I'd like to go through some logistics just to make sure everyone is able to ask questions and get feedback on this presentation. You should see in the control panel on the right-hand side, it has a raise your hand button, and this is used to get the attention of our presenter. Now, we got a larger audience today, so we ask that rather than raising your hand, please instead submit any questions you have during the chat facility. We'll then compile them and address them at the end of the presentation. We're also going to send a follow-up email and a link to a recording of this webinar to everybody. So joining me today are Melissa Andreessen and DeAndre Davis-Taylor from MasterSolve, and we'll be discussing 5 reasons to consider your CRM to increase your underwhelming customer experience. DeAndre, I'm going to pass it over to you to tell us a little bit about MasterSolve.
Sure. So MasterSolve is a business and strategy consulting firm with a purpose to align people, process, and technology. There are 5 principles that guide our organization, and they are: 1, to be reliable. We only promise what we can deliver, and we deliver what we promise. Second, we are relentless about improving. 3rd, we approach every situation with a positive mindset. 4th, we like to be customer-centric, obsessed with building positive relationships through outstanding interactions. And lastly, we like to be open, authentic, and respectful. We have offices in Toronto, Montreal, and St. Louis, and our customers are located across North America in a variety of industries. Their revenues range from startups to Fortune 500 companies. So Melissa, why don't you kick off the first challenge that we're going to discuss today?
Yeah, so the first challenge is going to be easy onboarding. So trying something new can be scary and intimidating, especially to customers who are looking to buy your product or service. Alleviate their fears by making your onboarding process as easy as possible. DeAndre, how does MasterSolve make CRM onboarding easy?
So one way to achieve this is to make sure customer service is a self-serve solution by using a CRM. Many CRMs have customer contact record fields that can be customized by your team to trigger specific workflows. These workflows or business processes indicate to your employees when it is time to take new action with the customer, allowing your team to stay on top of the onboarding process and making things as easy as possible for your customers to interact with your business.
And reason number 2 is personalization. Taking a personalized approach to your customers isn't that difficult with a modern CRM, but it does require a shift in mental attitude to a customer-centric view of your customers. By putting the customers at the center of your business, you focus on what the individual customer wants and not on what you have to sell. It means adjusting your business to give your customers what they want, how they want it. That includes everything from the goods and services you provide to the way you contact the customer. DeAndre, how did you want to discuss how a CRM can be personalized?
Sure. So while personalization is good, invading a customer's privacy isn't. Over-enthusiastic personalization is just plain creepy to many customers. In planning your personalization campaign, it's important to remember that your purpose is to help the customer with selling decisions, not to show the customer how much you know about them. Generally speaking, you're better off using the data you've gathered, but not sharing it with the customer. Making suggestions based on previous purchases is usually okay. Giving the customer a detailed list of what they've purchased isn't. A well-thought-out personalization campaign is the key to a successful marketing program in the CRM era. Use the data you have on your customers and prospects to target in on them and get sales faster. If there are a lot of customers who have stopped purchasing your products over time, you may want to launch a campaign to re-spark their interest. Further still, you may want to analyze that data to look for the source of the problem causing the high levels of customer drop-off. Conversely, if you have a group of returning customers that constantly buy from your company, you may want to personalize a loyalty campaign for them just to show your appreciation.
Okay, that brings us to reason number 3, strong customer relationships. So trust between a company and a customer is quite important. Does the customer trust that you will keep your promises, resolve issues with integrity, and always put them first? Hey, DeAndre, how does a CRM help build trust between businesses and customers?
So once you've established a customer-centric mindset, the next step is to research your customers at as fine of a level of detail as you can manage. This is one of the places where a good CRM system with a 360-degree view of the customer pays off. A CRM lets you organize everything you know about your customer, including a history of all contacts with your company and auxiliary information such as demographics. Once you've extended your information on your customers, the next step is to segment your customer base using the CRM tools. Segmentation can range from the simple, like purchase volume, to complex multi-factor analysis. Generally speaking, the more complex the segmentation, the better you can zero in on the customer.
Okay, and reason number 4, quick and easy access to info. It can be frustrating and time consuming when you have information stored in different places. So having quick and easy access is important, and it also enables your business to better manage customer interactions, provide support, and maintain relationships through reliable systems and processes. So DeAndre, how does having a CRM make it quick and easy to access info?
Without a CRM, your sales are probably spending an exorbitant amount of time looking up information on and for their customers. You may even be using several different platforms where information was scattered in different places. For example, the sales information is stored in one platform, communication logs in another, and contact info in yet another. With a CRM, all of that information is brought together on one platform and is stored on the customer's profile, where it can be pulled up at any time in a matter of seconds.
Okay, and the last reason is to improve customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is one of the most important aspects of business success. So in order to make more sales, you need to offer great customer experience, and here's why. It increases a company's revenue and sales. It builds more solid customer relationships, and it also helps foster customer loyalty by encouraging repeat customers. DeAndre, how does a CRM help improve customer satisfaction?
You should think of your CRM as a roadmap to your customer's needs and then follow it. You should let it guide you to your next course of action or strategy. Your CRM can analyze customer data and past engagements to determine the next steps for each of your customers and customer groups. The data will allow you to improve your customer's experience and will leave them satisfied. Adopting a CRM can help your team take their customer relationships to the next level by using the advantages above. If your company doesn't have a CRM and you are struggling with customer satisfaction, now may be the time to try out a CRM.
All right, in closing, CRM adoption is not a singular occurrence. It must be constantly monitored and updated. It should not be a time-consuming productivity drain, but rather a tool that employees feel makes their jobs easier. For help with CRM adoption and training, give us a call today or sign up for our CRM user adoption audit.